How to fix black screen problem on Android phone. Due to certain issues, there might be black screen problem on your Android devices. In order to fix this issue, you need to first of all remove the SIM tray on your device. Once you remove the SIM tray, you just need to open the back part of your Android. Then you have to remove the battery connector. Once you remove the battery connector of Android, you need to wait for 45 seconds and you need to again reinsert the back part of your Android device. Once you have done that, you must plug in your charger to check whether you see the charging sign or not. Once the charging sign is shown on the screen, you just need to power on your mobile. Once you try turning on your device, then your black screen problem on Android phone will be definitely fixed. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.